Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Golden hour is here, so get ready with me for a summer dinner in the city. Today we're doing a glowy, shimmering glam makeup, and at the end I'll show you the outfit I picked up. Grab a drink, get comfy, and let's get ready together. I'm starting off with this Profusion palette. It's so beautiful. I love that it has all these warm tones, so it's just perfect for summer. First, I'm taking the color in the middle, this light brown shade, and then I'm taking this darker shade into my crease to create the perfect smoky eye. As you can see, when we're blending, the colors mix together perfectly and it creates a softer look. Also, adding a darker shade to the outer corner really gives it more dimension. On my lid, I'm going to be using this KIKO Cosmetics High Pigment Eyeshadow in number 38. You can see it has some shimmer in it, so I think it's the perfect choice if you want a touch of glam. Next, I'm going to use the M.A.C gel liner. It's amazing because it's super deep black and lasts all day long. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Classic Volume Express. I really love this one because it's deep black and waterproof, which is perfect for summer and it lasts until you wash it off. In the summer, I always love using something shimmery on my eyes. It's perfect for special occasions like lunch or dinner, and it's a great choice if you want to look a little extra. Especially in the summer when the sun is shining outside, it reflects the light and sparkles so beautifully. Next, I'm going to apply some false lashes. Of course, this step is totally optional, but it really adds depth to your look and I personally love wearing them. So I'm going to put these on and I'll be right back. That's it for the eyes for now. Once we do the face makeup, we'll come back to finish the lower lash line. So now that we're almost ready with the eyes, I'm going to be doing my face. I'm starting off with this M.A.C Strobe Cream and then I'm applying the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Good. Now I'm applying this Revolution London Conceal and Define Concealer in number 1. And I'm applying this underneath my eyes and on the nose. I'm also taking concealer number 2 and I'm applying this on my chin and on my this area and also on my forehead. So after we're done with the concealer, I'm taking the bronzer. Today I'm using this Manhattan bronzer. It's like nature bronzer. It's super great. I use that like almost every time. So yeah, I'm taking this kind of brush. So yes, I'm still using that bronzer and I'm still contouring my face. Now you can see I put a little bit here, a little bit here. Yeah. So now I'm contouring my nose a little bit. I'm also using this bronzer by Manhattan and I'm taking this a little bit like to my brow area and down the nose so that it makes like more straight nose that I want, that everybody wants. So before we're going to be doing the lips, I'm using a little bit of Neutrogena lip balm to make my lips hydrated before applying like lipstick or lip gloss or whatever. So now we're going to be using a setting powder. I'm using this Makeup Forever. It's HD Skin Perfecting Loose Powder. I think this powder is the best on the market right now. I've been using this for over like 10 years or so, maybe more, I don't know. But like, it makes your foundation and your makeup, face makeup stay. I also use it when I'm doing like my clients' makeup, like weddings, like pro photo shoots or something. So like proms also. So I really like it. So let the powder sit for about like 5 minutes, and before it sets, we will be doing the lips. I'm using this Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner, number 10 Nude Whisper. This is my go-to lip liner, whatever. Then I'm taking M.A.C Cosmetic lipsticks in Creme de Nude color. And last but not least, I'm using this Manhattan Lasting Perfection Long Lasting Lip Liner. Number, what's the number? 59G. Also, you can use a lip gloss if you want. I'm using this M.A.C Sheer Lip Gloss. So now I'm going to be brushing the excess powder off the face. Now I'm using this Too Faced Moon Crush highlighter. Now I'm using this M.A.C setting powder, and I'm going to be setting the face. Now it's time to finish the eyes. I'm using the same palette that we used before, and I'm taking this middle shade. I'm loving it. Also, the mascara is the one we used before. It's the Maybelline Classic Volume Express. Okay guys, and that is the final look. Let me know in the comments what you think. So now it's time for the hair. I'm going to be leaving it as it is. And this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.